Hey guys, it's Nightimus here. I'm back with another food review. Today I'm reviewing Burger King breakfast. I'm reviewing their sausage and bacon croissant. And each one was $4.49 each. I got just the sandwiches, but for one of them anyway. I also got some hash browns. I actually had a coupon where you can get two combos for $8.49, but one's for my dad. But I did buy myself an additional croissant just for this video. Today let's review their sausage first. And I hope you guys are having a good morning so far. Here's their sausage, egg, and cheese croissant. I haven't had Burger King breakfast in a long time. I'm also having a chocolate Oreo shake, which I've reviewed a while back. So we're not going to talk about that. But the croissant, pretty good. The egg is pretty nice and pretty moist too. And it's steaming still. Here, I got some buffalo sauce. I like to give it a little kick sometimes. The sausage is pretty good too. Hope they can hear me. Makes everything better. Oh, that sausage is really good too. It's nice and moist, you guys. Pretty good. You can definitely taste the egg and some of the cheese and that buffalo sauce. Really good. And the bacon croissantwich, that's what it's called. So it's the same thing as the sausage, but instead of sausage, it has nice bacon. You can't go wrong with bacon. Tastes really good. I kind of like the bacon one more. Probably leave the buffalo out because kind of tastes better without it. So the bacon's nice and moist, and it's still not as crispy, but probably because it's still hot. That's why. But the egg is still moist and it's greasy too. I mean, this part's really greasy. The bacon's really good. Now into the hash browns. Good. Really good. What was buffalo? Buffalo gives it a good kick. It's not crazy spicy, obviously, but enough to give it a little kick. These hash browns are pretty good. They kind of remind me of the McDonald's ones. They're just in bits, but really good, you guys. Tastes kind of good with the without the buffalo sauce, but with that buffalo sauce gives it a good kick. Really good, you guys. A little greasy, but not too greasy. But still pretty good nonetheless. You definitely have that potato-y taste to it. I think that's what hash browns are. They're basically potatoes, breaded, and fried. But really good. It's pretty greasy too, so make sure you have some napkins. And I forgot to go get some. But anyway, that was my video of the croissantwich, the bacon and sausage one from Burger King, along with their hash browns. I'll be back with another review as soon as I can, but for now, this is Nightimus, rolling out. So all are one, you guys.